Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Golf battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from potential battery acid or sparks. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now locate your VW Golf battery, which is usually under the hood but sometimes in the trunk. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety to prevent accidental short circuits. Then, disconnect the positive terminal. After both terminals are free, carefully remove any battery hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with a wire brush. This ensures good electrical contact and prevents corrosion. Now, carefully place your new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits securely. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, tightening both firmly to prevent any loose connections. With the new battery in place, double-check that all connections are tight and secure. Reinstall any battery hold-down clamps to prevent movement. Now, start your VW Golf and test all electrical systems, like the lights and radio, to ensure everything is working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. A properly installed battery will give you reliable starts for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.